Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Eats. Today we'll make something sweet but guilt-free. We all crave for sweet dishes during our fat loss journey. If you also feel the same, then keep on watching. For this I'm taking a full pack of dark chocolate, and for melting I'm boiling some water in a pan. Now I'm placing the bowl of chocolate in the hot water, and with the help of this double boiler I'm melting the chocolate. Take a banana and cut it into bite-sized pieces. You can put any nut butter of your choice. I love adding peanut butter. After that, I'm dipping the banana pieces in the melted chocolate so that it coats well, and place it on the butter or a parchment paper. Now you can choose the topping of your choice. I'm taking some mixed seeds, some walnuts, pistachios and grated coconut. After this, let it set in deep freezer for about 1 hour. And it's ready. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Do share your pictures if you try them at your home, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye!